We love to eat rice for lunch. We will see how the nasi goreng is done, and I am going to do with seafood today. So to make it like that, first thing I have cooked the sambar rice. Basmati or sambar rice, you can have long grain are better. So once you have the rice ready, rice is cooked and ready. When you cook the rice, I am sure you know, when you take 1 cup of rice, we need 2.5 cups of water or stock. I have taken the cuttlefish now, you can see, and along with the cuttlefish, always it's better for us to use a little turmeric and salt. And later I will be using the prawns. For the prawns too, I will put a little turmeric and a little salt and keep it ready. First what I am going to do is I am going to put the cuttlefish into the pan and cook for a while before we add the prawns. This is about 150 grams cuttlefish. When we start cooking this, we have to always remember there is water in it. The water should get simmered before I start adding the oil. If there is no water now, I will add a little oil. Now into that, it's getting slightly warmed, we can add the prawns. Prawns also I have cut into small pieces. We add the prawns. Prawns I put 100 grams. Cuttlefish and prawns only I am using. You can use even crab flesh, any seafood preparation we could bring into this, but you can even use chicken, mutton, any kind of meat could be used. When it gets almost cooked, now I put 1 bee onion cut shredded. 1 bee onion shredded. Give a minute for everything one by one to cut it. Now 1 large carrot cut into strips. We don't need a lot. And 1 capsicum chili or red or green pepper even okay. Cabbage, 60 grams cabbage, and I put 60 grams of leeks. Nicely stir fry. Quantity is a little more, so we have to use little more seasoning. Now I am putting salt, a bit of turmeric, a little pepper. We don't need a lot, but a little pepper. Say about 1/4 teaspoon pepper I have used, 1 teaspoon salt and turmeric. Now we have stir fried all this, nicely fried, and come off the cooker, take it off. I need a large pan now because we are going to use the rice. I prefer dessert spoon of ghee. Once in a way only we add all these, not all the time, and another dessert spoon of oil also. Stir fry. When that melts, I have got the cooked rice. I am going to put the cooked rice now. Slowly, slowly I add the cooked rice. Mix it nicely. I have taken 2 eggs here. In the middle I put. Slowly. In the middle make a hole and then you start putting slowly, slowly. Mix it nicely so that the egg also gets cooked. Egg has got cooked. Now what I am going to do is into this slowly, slowly I add all my seafood plus the vegetables. Now I will off the cooker. I will have to explain a little and then come back to you. Now What I have taken is 1 tomato, about 2 or 3 garlic, a half an inch piece of ginger, cardamom about 4 or 5, cloves, cinnamon and pandan leaf, curry leaves, coriander leaves, onion, all this together you grind it to a paste. Generally you grind nicely, adding a little water, you grind it to a paste. All these ingredients which I have given. So once it ground to a paste, you will get the paste like this. Into that, mix it with a tablespoon of milk. That also, hole in the middle and put that. On the cooker and then you can mix it. The nasi goreng is ready. Now we will dish it out. See, and of course onions, red onions, deep fried, garnishing. That's all. No more decoration comes for this. This itself is delicious. I would say it's very nice. You can serve it at home as a wholesome meal. When guests come only, we have to have different type of preparation. But as a meal at home, this is more than enough.